I'm Joy, and welcome to my new channel and new name. This is a kickoff tonight on Joy's Happy Hobbies. And hobbies make me happy. That's a nice name, because every time I say it, I'm going to smile. And when you guys say it, you're going to smile too. So anyway, I just wanted to introduce the new channel. And it's going to be a variety of things. Not only, I'm still going to show my diamond paintings, and that's my passion. I work on those all the time. But I'm going to try to mix it up with different things that I want to start doing. I want embroidery, paint by numbers. I just ordered a latch hook rug to do with a doggy's face on it. As you can see, I like my doggies. These aren't my dogs, but I like the pictures. And I needed something to put here so you guys could look at while I was chatting. Anyway, what I wanted to tell you was, because I'm kicking off my new channel today, I wanted to do a giveaway to say thank you for joining me. And I'm going to show, hey, also, before I do that, I want to introduce my partner in crime. Hey.
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 Hey, I'm over here.
He's over there.
I'm not coming into the camera.
Oh, why not? Why not? Come and say hi. Come and say hi. There he is. There's my, yeah. Okay.
All right, get out of here.
All right, go sit down. Go sit down. And you can't see him, but I got my babies in here, my Jasmine and my Jackson. They're laying down on the floor here. So anyway, so I got the whole family here to push this off today. So in my giveaway, I'm going to show you what's going to be the prize, and what I've decided was probably if you make a comment yes, or say yes in the comment section. Give your comments of how you like the video, but put the word yes in there, and then I'll know that you're watching it. And I should have waited till the end to do that so people could watch the whole video, but I didn't want to make it a long video tonight. Anyway, I'll show you what I'm going to be giving away. It's just a nice thank you gift for you out there that are watching this and want to make your comments. So I'm going to move my little doggy pictures here. I just wanted something to cover my mat so you wouldn't just see this big old square here. So what I'm going to offer is this beautiful pillowcase cover. It's a diamond art type thing. It's a Santa Claus. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? He's so colorful and joyful, with the beautiful Christmas tree back here. Oh, and look at the bird. There's a bird, a bluebird, or pink-a-blue bird. And he's got the bushy eyebrows and the little hair sticking out. And then I guess these are just Christmas decorations and Christmas balls in there. Here's some birds here. That's what I liked about it. It's got these little cute birds in there. And here's a bow of some that's like an ornament there. So it's a very colorful pillowcase, and it'll be nice for a Christmas decoration. Okay. Now what comes with it are the drills, and it's all crystal. I don't really want to open the drills because I want to keep it new for whoever receives this. So, but they're really pretty. They're all Christmas colors. And it comes with the boat and the wax, and the baggies that are always in there, and the stylus pen. But what I'm going to include is some little goodies in here. I got my little goodie bag here, and there are things that I picked up from all over. I've got a polymer pen. I don't remember. I think it was Pens by Cheryl. I'm not sure. I'll have to find out and put that in the description box. But it's a polymer pen, so I'm going to include that. I'm going to include some from Pretty Placers, some juicy limes. These are gems. Oh, I can't remember. Oh, what does she call them? Juice gems or something like that. It's wax. And this one is juicy limes. And see, it's got really pretty sparkle to it. Of course, you scrape the wax from the back side. Okay. A really pretty Christmas pin. Cover minder that you can use for your Christmas paintings. I got this one from Day's Dream. So, nice little bells. And this is a trash drill cup. This one I got from Lady Lathe. Sent this along with some of the things I ordered. So there you go. So all this is going to go along with the gift, with the special pet for whoever wins it, for a thank you for tuning in. And anything that you might want to add there in the background, honey?
I don't think so.
No, he's not real talkative tonight, but he'll be better on the next ones, I promise. Anyway, so these will be the gifts. This is the picture. Well, it looks just like that. Yeah, it just looks. Just
Are you gonna include a surprise or anything in the package?
Yeah, I probably
Yes,
will.
sneak something in there.
Yeah. There'll be some extra little goodies in there too. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in there, but I'll add a few extra things just so it's a surprise package, okay? So I just want to thank everybody for tuning in. And this is my, all crafts now. Joy's Happy Hobbies. Oh, that makes me smile. Anyway, thank you. And I'm going to leave you with a happy smile and have a very good Thanksgiving if I don't talk to you before that. And where is he going? He's stepping in the back of the camera. He's in the back of the camera. Anyway, thanks for coming in. Hi there. Thanks for coming in. And he's my cameraman, my partner in crime, my hubby,
Drinking partner.
my what?
Drinking partner.
Drinking partner. All the above. So don't forget, hey, invite your friends. Tell them about the giveaway. I'm going to be posting it on my Facebook group. Not group, but my Facebook page. And I'll have this video up probably by tomorrow to shout it out to everybody. And I hope you enjoy watching. If you're thinking about it and you have a mind to, go ahead and subscribe and click on the bell because you want to be. It'll give you notifications of new videos coming out, and you want to probably see what all kinds of different crafts I'm gonna be attempting to do, because I'm not a crafty person at all. And some of this stuff I've done before, but like in high school, so, I don't know if I remember. Have to get on the internet and look to see how to do embroidery again. So, honey, half of your body is showing.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were going to say goodbye,
I
so that's why I got up.
I'm
but
trying
that was,
to say
5
goodbye.
minutes ago.
You know me, everybody. I have a hard time saying goodbye to people.
Let's wrap it up.
So, we're going to see you later. Subscribe, hit that bell, and give it a like, okay? So, see you next time. Hey, everyone. This is a PS. You know me. I do PSs because I always think of something after I turn the camera off. I forgot to tell you. 2 or 3 times. I forgot to tell you how long I'm going to run this and give you a chance to make your comments in there. I'm probably going to let it go for a week. So this is Saturday. So hopefully we'll get all the comments in by next Saturday.
What exactly do they have to do?
I said
yes.
They're going to make a comment, and in their comment they're going to put the word yes. And I will pick random selector everybody that's made a comment in here and that said yes. If you don't say yes, you're not going to be able to participate. And make sure you like underneath your name. That's another thing. I got that idea from my friend Nick. So Hi, Nix. How are you doing? my person. Okay, that's it. Now that I told you. Bye.